There's something about the Amaretto sour. It's a nostalgic thing, like the Christmas times of the past. It sort of reminds me of some old random great aunt who drinks in a tough but friendly East End boozer with perfume that asphyxiates anybody sat nearby her, wearing more jewellery than Mr. T, and having the whole can of hairspray holding that booth on together whilst chain smoking really strong and cheap cigarettes. This is a really simple 3-ingredient cocktail. So we've got our Amaretto, fresh lemon juice, egg whites, and also, not sure where you live, but you can really pick up a bottle of Amaretto for quite a decent price. So you can bang these out on a budget. Let's kick this off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Amaretto. I've gone for the Disaronno brand here. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30ml of fresh lemon juice. Then lastly add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of egg whites. Now this is the only painful part of making this drink. We need to dry shake it for 1 minute. I'd suggest adding an old coil from the Hawthorn strainer. It just helps whip up a good foam. Then we need to add some ice and do a regular shake for 15 seconds. History wise it's quite patchy, but from what I've been reading into, this cocktail actually originated in the 1970s as part of a promotional push from the brand Disaronno, and it got a lot more popular in the 1980s. I did think it'd be a lot more old than that. Add some ice to our glass, double strain and make sure you get out every drop. Garnish this with a lemon and cherry flag. The taste test. This reminds me of Christmas. The Amaretto gives it that almond sweetness. The lemon stops it from being too overly sweet. And the egg white gives it that velvet finish. This is an excellent drink. I think you should all try this Christmas.